guys, Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're building a real-life circle generator. It's a DIY compass. First off, let's gather everything we need for this project. Let's see, cardboard and a pencil. Let's begin. First things first, you need a circle. But what size? First you have to decide what size you want your circle before we can make it. Once you've determined your radius size, that's right, I know circles, it's time to cut your cardboard. Once you have a strip of cardboard, measure your radius out and draw 2 points. You can put 2 holes the size of your radius. That's where your pencils are going to slide through. Make sure you insert 2 sharp pencils into those holes. One will be your center point, the other one you're going to draw with. See? Simple. But we could probably do better. First, punch a hole every ½ inch. Now, label your holes 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 601.5, 602, 9,761.5, 9,762.5, 9,763, You know, This really is a nice piece of trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me? Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.